Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies. And in currencies, basically, we are talking about one of the topic, that is the global warming. Global warming is equal to ideas. In ideas, equal to error. And basically, this is actually not error. This is actually solution, basically. So here, basically, we are talking about global warming. Actually, word actually is solution, basically. That also you can say. That means somebody knows that basically the error is there in 20%. So here basically I have just taken as an example of 20%, but in real basically it might be too much basically. So same way basically the education industry basically copied the IT industry, software industry copied the data from education industry. So they also got the 10 percentage error. So 10 percentage error there basically. What 10 percentage? The text box equal to 1000 cities. So 1000 city basically which is created, that is created from the education sector basically. The data is basically taken from the education sector only. And other data also basically might be taken. That basically those groups only knows who basically has designed the text box equal to 1000 cities. That group basically might be knowing combo box equal to 1000 cities. So combo box actually created from the 1000 cities only. Lots of people says that yeah, combo box, that simple looking combo box is created from 1000 cities. That is not possible here. Then one of the person told that you do one thing, contact the nuclear power company or basically the energy companies in India basically, that are Reliance, IPCL, ONGC and Ames Oxygen. Ask them basically, they will let you know basically. Then basically then the that person told that okay I will ask yeah, whether really basically it is like that or not. Ask Ames Oxygen also basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So here basically we are talking about that 2 lakh people basically who got infected and they basically was removed from the injection basically by the doctors. Doctor actually removed them basically from the blood group basically. Why? Because it was creating problem basically. So they removed it and literally they removed it basically. Because they were doctor basically. Because one blood group basically contains 150 crore people basically. So 150 crore means you can just imagine how many population was going to affect basically. So they basically removed it like this basically. Like this 2 lakh calculation comes to 200 now. Now from 200 people basically was crying basically. That crying means they were not getting medicine. If because they were not having the job, they were not having this lots of problem basically. From this 200 basically, lots of people basically might not was not having the job also. Like this, lots of things basically connected, right? Like this, lots of things connected. So now basically, system has not helped him. Supreme Court has not helped him. High Court not helped him. Delhi not helped him. Bangalore City not helped him. Mumbai has not helped him. This not helped him. That not helped him. This not Vadodara City not helped him. Like this basically, software company basically. Then basically the things basically connected like this basically. Because it's a digital world basically. It's a digital world basically. It's a digital world basically. It's a digital world. That's why basically. So one of the person told that basically now basically what is going to happen to these 200 people basically? What is the things going to happen to these 200 people basically? So the question basically was what is going to happen here basically now? Satellite group also basically from 500 they only helped 200 300 people. Now what is going to happen? That is the question. Now basically what is going to happen? Who is going to help? Because these all are experiments. Somebody is doing the experiment with you. That's why. Why basically he is doing that? Might that to track basically that who is actually how basically the earth planet is separating this everything. Basically they have doubt, basically they have only doubt basically, but they have never seen this basically. They have never seen this 11 division basically. That division basically, mathematics division nahi basically, the division basically. Division means dividing basically. The earth planet basically has never seen basically like division. Means the earth land basically, the energy people basically that are the nuclear power company basically, they have never seen the dividing of the land basically. That is the 11 parts basically are separated basically of the earth planet basically. So earth planet separated by 11 parts. So like this story basically is connected. So now basically what is the things going to happen? What is going to happen to these 200 people basically? Now one of the person told that yeah, satellite groups are basically controlling the each and everything. So who is going to help here basically? Now basically the question was very dangerous basically. Who is going to help? This all basically is a story basically. Now the story has connected to 200 basically. That's why. Now basically who is going to help here basically? This question basically they asked basically because they have the nuclear power company never seen the earth planet dividing to 11 parts. That's why basically. So they want to do experiment basically. So now basically one of the person told that basically yeah, experiment you can say verification also basically. And one of the person basically asked the railway example also basically. The railway example basically. The entire city. That example basically was there. It is this is also like that basically. So they have taken risk basically. Risk means of 200 crore, 200 people basically. Now basically they thought that yeah, now who is going to help these 200 people? That we want to see. So now basically they taken the risk. That is the nuclear power company not taken, not helped, because they want to kill that particular 200 people basically. That's why basically. Now basically nobody helped. Satellite group also not helped. Nobody helped here basically. Nobody helped. Now what is going to happen basically? Now basically what is going to happen here basically? Then one of the person told yeah, satellite equal to God basically. That everybody knows. Satellites are equal to God basically. So God also not help basically. That's the thing basically. God group basically has also not helped this group basically. Now other than God basically that are also basically part of the system only basically. Other than basically God, they are also part of the system basically. Because they are getting money from the system only basically. From system only basically they are getting the money. So just see basically how the things going to connect with of these 200 people basically. 200 people basically. Now basically one of the 200 person basically told that yeah, now basically who is going to help here basically. They were literally crying. They are not getting money. They were not getting medicine. They are not getting that basically. There few people basically was not able to do marriage. Lots of problem basically was there. Nobody was able to solve that basically. Nobody was able to solve. Now basically what are the things going to happen basically? That is the question basically. Because nobody has helped basically. And this was the nuclear power company telling that basically this is the experiment. Now basically what are the things going to happen? Just see basically. Now one of the person told that yeah, if any matrix will generate automatically, then only basically things will happen basically. So the matrix would be what basically? One of the person told that basically. What would be that matrix basically? Which will help them basically. Because everywhere basically system basically also told that basically sorry, we can't help you. We can't help you. We can't help you. Like this basically it was told basically. Now basically what are the things going to happen, that you see in next video.